What's going on, Baby Doge Army? It's Marcellus back with another video. Merry Christmas to everyone out there. We got to talk about some stuff going on with Baby Doge. There's a lot of stuff going on right now in the technicals. I know you see this pump, so we got to talk about it. Anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marcellus for 25% off. Now let's go over Baby Doge. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So the first thing that we see with Baby Doge, the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 60%, showing that we're 60% bullish here. So that's pretty good here. Now I do want to mention that we did get rejected up here at the 2100 area, the 2100 area, 8 zeros and then 210. So we got rejected at that level. And now, like I said in my previous video, we could be slowly trending down to the support that we had where we had heavy demand. We had so much demand at 1800 to about 1770, 1750. We had a lot of demand for Baby Dogecoin there. The red areas show our less demand areas, and then the green areas show supply and demand for more demand. So right now we are in the red area. So we're in the red, which means that we're going to probably continue to have a little bit of a dip. We are at the bottom of this red area, so this could indicate that we might be trying to retest the resistance. But look, we already tried to retest it once here, and then we actually got rejected, which is sending us down. So now we need to build that momentum back up. But I mentioned here yesterday in my previous video what Baby Dogecoin could possibly be doing. So when I was watching it, I was like, look, Baby Doge right now is loving this price area around 1900. It's really staying around there solid right now. The same thing is actually happening over there. You can see how solid that 1900 area is for Baby Doge. It's really just staying right there. But I did mention that if we had a pullback because we couldn't break our resistance, then we would end up going back down to the 1850 supply and demand or the 1750 supply and demand. It'd be between that supply and demand area because there's lots of demand between there. And that's pretty much why I drew the line in the circle down there. Now, what this other stuff means, I was watching it pull back, and I was like, look, the fact that we're pulling back because it was around this area actually right here when I made the video, I was like, look, the fact that we're pulling back right here pretty much shows us that, well, for one, we're going to try to retest this resistance because, look, as soon as we get to the bottom of that supply and demand like we did, we're going to have enough momentum to build up. So when we had that momentum, we actually did go up like I was mentioning here, not as soon as I was showing it, but just because it was a little demonstration. But we did end up trying to retest that resistance all the way over here. So as we tried to retest that resistance early this morning, we actually got rejected, which was pretty much what sent us all the way down to where we're at now. So we do have the possibility to break out. As you can see, we're kind of leaving this little red area here. So we may actually be forming up a green area of supply and demand, showing that there could be more demand for Baby Dogecoin from the 1950 area all the way up to the 2100 area. So we could actually have a lot of buy-ins coming in. So the bulls are in control by 60% in 24-hour market control, which is pretty good. You can see over here all this buying volume for Baby Doge, but now we are starting to get some selling here on the oscillator. So that's definitely something that you want to watch out for. But as you can see, this green candlestick is starting to build up now. So we may actually have the potential to break out of this negative downtrend and go back into an uptrend with Baby Doge. So watch out for that. That could happen like any moment now. And then the next area for Baby Doge to break would be all the way up here at the 2700 area. So we have a lot to do with Baby Dogecoin, but as in the technicals, Baby Doge is very solid right now. Is making very good moves, and I definitely am excited to see what happens next for Baby Dogecoin. It's definitely really good that we had this pump, but like I've been saying, it quite possibly could be a bull trap, like the whole thing. Remember, this is crypto we're talking about. This stuff happens all the time. It's nothing that we haven't seen before, but hopefully we don't have a bull trap. Hopefully this is actual growth and actual demand for Baby Dogecoin, because then that would be very good news for us. Anyways, Merry Christmas from Baby Dogecoin. Wishing everyone a happy holiday, happy Baby Doge holiday. So shout out to all the Baby Doge Army people out there. So this is definitely, good news. There's a lot of crypto communities that actually don't address the community at all. They don't make any tweets on their Twitter. They don't do anything to, reel the community in and really hone in on the actual community structure of the cryptos that are out there. But Baby Dogecoin is one of those cryptos that just focuses solely on the community, and it's so funny because the community is almost like the whole crypto. Like, it's kind of like how Dogecoin is. Like, the Dogecoin community does like a lot more for Dogecoin, like socially, than the Dogecoin developers. And it's kind of the same thing with Baby Doge. Like the Baby Dogecoin developers are good. Don't get me wrong. I'm saying they're good. I'm not saying anything bad about the Baby Doge developers. They're definitely good. But the community for Baby Doge is literally so strong that it kind of outweighs what the actual developers do for the community socially. So the community is really what keeps the community strong, which is a very good thing when you're talking about cryptos. The fact that we don't need the developers to form the community into what it is. Like they already formed it into what it is, and now the community kind of keeps the whole community growing. Like me making this video, this is helping the community grow. You all watching this video and commenting, this helps the community grow. Us talking inside of the Telegram, that helps the community grow. And I've been noticing people out there saying I should join the Telegram community or the Telegram voice chat because I haven't joined it in a while. But I'm definitely gonna join it because it's been a very long time and I definitely need to join it. But yeah, I'm definitely very busy right now, going through a whole move right now as well. So I have a lot on my plate. But I'm going to be joining the Baby Doge live stream, not live stream, but the live chat very soon. Just watch how when I show up, it's gonna be a whole event. But anyways, we're gonna get this done. But yeah, let's go over the rest of the stuff that I got with Baby Dogecoin. So we do see another green candlestick forming. So like I said previously, this may actually be the bottom of that downtrend where we actually go up on an uptrend and try to retest that area. Now, if we get rejected at that area again, then we more than likely will see a drop all the way down here to the 1850 to the 1750 area. So that's what we could quite possibly see. Now, as you do see, there is some red forming, or there is some red that started to form around this green candlestick, meaning that there is some selling that's starting to happen. But we are starting to see more buying. You can see on the oscillator here, it's going more on the upside. So we may actually see some more buying coming in very soon with Shiba Inu. But anyways, all right, I mean with Baby Doge. I probably said Shiba Inu a lot, didn't I? If I said Shiba Inu, sorry, I meant Baby Doge. I just woke up. Yeah, I meant Baby Doge. But yeah, anyways, the Baby Dogecoin community is huge. But yeah, look over here. We are up 11.1% in the last 24 hours with Baby Doge. That's really good right there. We're up 32% in the last 7 days with Baby Doge, 33% in the last 14 days. So we're doing a lot of growth here. I love seeing charts like that. That just go straight up and then kind of just level out at the top because they could continue to go straight up. Like we could see Baby Doge continue to make more and more gains. So this is really good for us, and this could be the start of another bull market. I mean, who knows? This could be the start of another bull market. Will Baby Dogecoin continue to pump, or will Baby Doge, have a little bit of a pullback? Me personally, I think Baby Dogecoin could continue to pump. I mean, the community is being strong right now. We're all holding strong, and there's a lot of buying coming in. The bulls are in control by 60% of 24-hour market control. So we may be able to continue to pump. But like I said, if we do have the pullback, it will come back to 1850 or 1750. And that's a fact. If we have the pullback, if we can't break this resistance, and if we get rejected. So that's what we could see. But anyways, we do now have 1,065,902 people at Baby Doge. That's a pretty good amount of people. We're almost at 1.1 million holders. So whenever we get to 1.1 million holders, that's going to be a very big milestone for us. As you can see here, we're about to pass 1,066,000. We just need 30 more people to pass that 66,000 level, and then boom, we'll be good. But anyways, shout out to Now Payments for adding us and accepting us for payments on here. So I already talked about this, but I just wanted to mention it again. And this is funny. I was just randomly making this video. I didn't even know that it said Baby Doge was trending right here for technology on Twitter. Like, I didn't even know that. I wasn't even paying attention to that. But yeah, we're now accepted as payments and donations with Now Payments. And then also mass payouts. If you got a payroll, you can pay people and pay Baby Doge. So there's a lot going on with Baby Doge Now Payments. The fact that we're partnering with them, this is pretty good. But yeah, I wanted to mention this whole thing about us trending. Hashtag Baby Doge trending here on Twitter. So yeah, Baby Doge making big moves here. There's a lot of people looking at this. There's a lot of people watching for Baby Doge, and a lot of people are really believing inside of the movement. So shout out to the whole Baby Doge movement. Shout out to all the Baby Doge Army people. Without all these people on here with the Baby Doge Army, this is like we wouldn't be able to do what we're doing without the whole Baby Doge army. Like the fact that we have the community pushing the crypto really hard. We got the developers working on actual fundamentals behind the scenes. So we got a lot of stuff. We got kids wearing the Baby Dogecoin shirts. We got the actual Doges, and then we got all this other good stuff with Baby Doge. So shout out to the whole Baby Doge army. We got Reflections Babies out here retweeting my videos every single day. Shout out to Reflection Babies. We got a lot of good stuff for Baby Dogecoin. A lot of good stuff happening all the time. Shout out to the whole Baby Dogecoin army for making this possible, because without the Baby Dogecoin army, I'm gonna keep on saying this, none of this would be possible. So shout out to all of you out there. But let's move on to the next thing. Let's talk about our Palm map, or just our roadmap, because it's no longer the Palm map 2021 because it's about to be past 2021. But now we're the Palm map 2022. We need to create. We are going to be creating another roadmap after we finish this. But yeah, we already got the wallet tracker, the Ethereum bridge, NFT collection already done. One of them already released. But yeah, the Baby Dogecoin wallet, that's going to be huge. Baby Doge virtual and physical debit cards, that's going to be really big as well. And then the exchange is also going to be huge. So those three are supposed to be coming out towards the same time. When they had the AMA, they actually mentioned they're going to be released near the same times. So that's going to be really big. That's going to be one of the most major catalysts that we have. And then the Baby Doge Arcade is going to be like a play to earn type game, and possibly some metaverse action going on in there. So that's going to be nice too. And then the Baby Doge NFT marketplace, supposedly Baby Doge is going to be used as payments on that marketplace. So that's going to be really big too. And there's going to be official Baby Dogecoin NFTs on there as well. So anyways, the petition for Binance is going to be coming out and almost passing 10K right here. Right now we're at 9,800 people, but we're about to actually pass 10,000 very soon. So if you can sign it, definitely sign it up. If you want to find it, actually just come over here to change.org, and not even to change.org, just go over to Reddit, and then it's literally like at the top of the Reddit. There's all these different posts about it on Reddit. There's posts every day from Ultra243. Shout out to Ultra243. Ultra243 also brought this up, which is the $55,000 burned of Baby Dogecoin today, and then 30.68 trillion burned inside of coins. So $55,000 has been burned, which comes out to be 30.68 trillion, which was new holders was 3,280 new holders. That's a lot of new holders right there. So we're still growing big time in Baby Doge. And like I said, look at this. This is actually starting to pump. So yeah, I guess the answer was Baby Dogecoin may continue to pump. Now, I don't know if it's going to continue to pump for long, but we are pumping, and we might actually try to retest this resistance up here at 2,100. So we're at 2023 right now. So we may see the resistance test at 2,100. And who knows, by 2023, maybe we get to 00001. That's 4 zeros and a 1 by 2023. By the end of 2022, I want to see 5 zeros with Baby Doge. So that's what we could quite possibly see. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Merry Christmas to all of the Baby Dogecoin army people out there. Shout out to all of you out there. And yeah, hit the like button, subscribe. Really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marcellus for 25% off. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send me a Christmas present through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. It'll be greatly appreciated. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.